The world's most incredible structures are coming together to form a three-dimensional masterpiece. Look around you. The next time you walk down a street, take a moment to appreciate the towering skyscrapers, robust bridges, and bustling tunnels that surround you. These architectural marvels are more than just aesthetic focal points. They are testaments to the brilliance of structural engineering. In this video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of structural engineering and how it is the backbone of modern cities. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that will reveal the secrets behind the structures that shape our urban landscapes. Skyscrapers to sidewalks, a world built on foundations. Let's imagine a city as a giant puzzle. Each piece, from towering buildings to bustling streets, is carefully interlocked. The buildings stand tall, housing offices and residences, while roads and sidewalks wind through the urban fabric, connecting people and places. But have you ever stopped to wonder how all these components fit together so seamlessly? How are these structures stable and safe? The answer lies in the field of structural engineering. Structural engineers are the masterminds behind the scenes, ensuring that every element of a city's infrastructure is not just functional, but also resilient and long-lasting. Their expertise is evident in every aspect of our built environment, from the foundations that support our homes to the bridges that carry us over rivers and highways. Unveiling the science, the principles of structural engineering. At the heart of structural engineering lies a fascinating blend of science, mathematics, and problem-solving. Let's uncover some of the fundamental principles that govern this captivating field. Load distribution. Every structure, whether a towering skyscraper or a humble residential building, must be designed to withstand various loads. Structural engineers analyze and calculate the forces that these structures will experience, such as dead loads, live loads, wind loads, and seismic forces. By understanding how these loads are distributed, engineers can design structures that are stable and resistant to collapse. Stress analysis. When forces act on a structure, they create internal stresses within the material. Structural engineers employ their knowledge of stress as strain to ensure that these forces remain within the material's capacity. Through meticulous calculations and simulations, they determine the appropriate dimensions, material strength, and structural integrity to withstand the expected loads without failure. Material selection. The choice of materials plays a crucial role in the durability and performance of any structure. Structural engineers consider factors such as material strength, elasticity, durability, and sustainability when selecting the right materials for a project. Each material has unique properties, and engineers must make informed decisions to ensure that the structure is both safe and cost-effective. Engineering innovation. Shaping the future of urban design. Structural engineering is not just about following established principles. It's also about pushing the boundaries of innovation and exploring new frontiers. Let's delve into some of the exciting ways structural engineers are shaping the future of urban design. Sustainable materials. As environmental concerns grow, structural engineers are at the forefront of incorporating sustainable materials into their designs. They experiment with eco-friendly alternatives such as bamboo, hempcrete, and recycled materials will reduce the carbon footprint of structures while maintaining their strength and stability. Smart buildings. The integration of technology in structural engineering is transforming the way buildings are designed and constructed. Smart buildings can now adapt to changing conditions, monitor their own structural health, and respond to occupant needs in real time. Structural engineers play a vital role in developing and implementing these cutting-edge technologies. Adaptive designs. In an era of evolving demands, adaptive structural designs offer a flexible solution. These structures can be modified and reconfigured over time to accommodate changing requirements. Structural engineers are incorporating this concept into their designs, creating buildings that are not just adaptable, but also resilient and sustainable. From blueprint to reality. The role of structural engineers. Behind every iconic structure and functional piece of infrastructure lies the dedication and expertise of structural engineers. Let's take a closer look at their crucial role in bringing our built environment to life. Structural engineers work in close collaboration with architects, contractors, and other stakeholders to transform designs into reality. They review design plans, conduct site visits, and perform detailed calculations to ensure the structural integrity of a project. They use specialized software to create structural models, analyze loads, and simulate various scenarios to assess the stability and safety of a structure under different conditions. Structural engineers also develop detailed drawings and specifications that guide the construction process. They work closely with contractors and construction teams to ensure that the structure is built in accordance with the design plans and safety codes. A world without limits. The future of structural engineering. As our cities grow and evolve, so does the role of structural engineering. Let's explore some of the exciting possibilities that lie ahead for this dynamic field. Urban renewal. As cities undergo revitalization projects, structural engineers play a key role in assessing, strengthening, and retrofitting existing structures to meet modern standards and enhance their longevity. Vertical cities. With growing populations, cities are expanding upwards. Structural engineers are at the forefront of designing innovative and sustainable solutions for high-rise buildings, including advanced foundation systems, efficient load-bearing structures, and advanced construction techniques. Sustainable infrastructure. The demand for sustainable infrastructure is on the rise. Structural engineers are incorporating green design principles into transportation systems, water management structures, and public works projects, minimizing the environmental impact while ensuring functionality and durability. And there you have it. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means everything to us. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. What are your thoughts on the role of structural engineering in shaping our cities? Share your ideas in the comments below. And if you'd like to learn more about fascinating topics like this, click here to watch this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning, stay curious and keep building.